When we bought our abandoned Greek house 3 years ago, we had no idea that thanks to the power of YouTube, we'd end up learning the history of Villa Sweet William from the people who built the house back in the 1980s. This week in Zakynthos, we'll show you how we're keeping their memory alive and hear heartwarming stories from days gone by.
So we wanted to make a frame to commemorate Bill and Dora, the people who very first built our villa. We thought it would be nice to keep them and a few little bits and pieces from their time here within the villa always, for as long as we have it and hopefully whatever happens in the future. So we have collected a few bits and pieces to put in the commemorative frame. We have previously picked and pressed some of the bottle brush flowers from the front of the villa. We know from speaking to their family that they planted this bottle brush tree somewhere between 30 and 40 years ago. So I thought it would be really nice to include in the frame some pressed bottle brush flowers. This is the flower.
How many are you going to do?
I'm probably going to do 3 or 4 just in case any don't come out right, and then I've got some backups.
Cool. Do you want another one?
In a couple more, yeah. I'm going to find the most bushy ones that look the most, so they'll look nice in the frame. This one's quite good. The really good ones seem to be really high up. I might have to get Chris to do those.
No, they're really nice and flat.
Ready to...
They told us lots of stories when we spoke to them on the phone last year, and told us about the bottle brush plant being planted when it was only like yay high, and now it's
huge.
7 or 8 meters tall, maybe more.
And that big bottle brush that was by the carport, you know, that thing with the red things, that was just a twig when they put it in.
Massive.
I have never in this country or ever seen one that big. They're difficult to grow, to get going.
So we need to start getting the bits that we've collected into the frame so that we can see. So we can see how it's going to look. We managed to find a map of Zante from the 80s, which is when Bill and Dora bought the land and built the villa.
But in that time, in the 1980s, you could only buy, this is probably interesting for your video, in the 1980s, you could only buy a property in Greece on about 5 islands.
Wow.
And yeah, Zakynthos was one of them.
So we thought this might be quite nice as a background. Chris is normally really good at things like this.
It looks super retro as well. You can see it's like got that real 80s warmth about it.
Another thing that we found when we bought the villa was this cork, which has got a euro in the top of it. And at the time that we found it, we knew nothing about Bill or Dora or the family. I thought, well, someone's done that for good luck. So I'm not going to throw that away. I'm going to keep that. And I put it somewhere safe. And it was only when we were having the conversation with Bill and Dora's family that we found out that this was actually from her 80th birthday.
Yeah, we used to love a restaurant there called Mikhailo's. And he's such a lovely chap. He used to come in and he used to kiss all the women and kiss their hand. And, you know, a real...
It took a shine to your mum.
It took a shine. If you do ever go up there and say that you bought Dora's house...
yeah.
And that's where Dora got that champagne.
With the euro in it.
Oh, really?
Euro in it, yeah.
It's funny because when we were, obviously when we first turned up, everything was left by the previous people. All the drawers were, you could barely open them because they were so packed with stuff. But yeah, I found that champagne cork with the euro in it, and I looked at that, and I didn't throw it. I put it on the side, and I was like, someone's done that for good luck. And yeah, I didn't expect you to remember or know what I was kind of talking about, really. So I think it's really poignant that we put this in the frame as well. We've got some shells that we collected from Kalamaki beach because that's our closest beach. So we had a little desk that
Bill and Dora probably spent lots of happy time with their family at Kalamaki Beach.
So right now I'm on a mission on Crystal Beach in Kalamaki to find some shells.
So start putting the thing, start arranging it how you would, and then let's see.
It's wicked.
That's what it looks like from above, dead straight.
I'm glad you picked out the airport. I didn't even think of that, but it's really nice to see that.
Yeah, there are lots of stories from the airport, didn't they?
When we first went there, there was the airport wasn't where it was now. There was a building that's still there the other side, and you got off the airplane and took your bag off the car, and then they upgraded it, and then we had one conveyor belt, and that half of it was outside and half of it was inside. So they unloaded it outside in the rain, and then it come through two little doors, and then you picked it off. It was soaking wet, you know.
And there's coaches as well, and isn't that how they first arrived here? They
Yeah,
came on a coach trip.
Yeah. Trip something. Yeah, you're right.
Going back many years, I always wanted to drive a Continental coach, and I got my driving license, my PSV, to drive coaches and double deckers only as a hobby. And I used to help this coach company out, and we started up a holiday club. In May, we always used to go to Spain or Greece or Italy. In the autumn, we used to do city breaks, and I'd have a self-drive hire coach. And we ended up one year, we decided to go to Zakynthos. So
now I've got to trim the pictures. I'll pick the pictures that we want.
Yeah.
And trim them.
Well, I think Bill and Dora
26.
need to be central.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 100%.
And I think Bill's shed.
Yeah, that's got to be in this one.
another funny story, Chris, about those we call them breeze blocks.
Yeah.
Most of that shed was built between. I did the woodwork, and in between time, Bill were building the shed.
Building the walls.
And he gave a hacksaw and had to hacksaw through, and he just had to hacksaw, but it took him about 10 or 15 minutes to hacksaw. Have you met Lambros from across the road?
Yeah, he comes over, yeah.
Yeah, and Lambros come across and said to, "What you doing?" So I'm sawing this in half. So he got one. He got it because he's a big. I don't know. He was a big guy.
He is a big guy, yeah.
Yeah, he held it in one hand, the brick, and he got a hammer and he just hit it and it fell in half. And spent weeks cutting these.
And I think Dora just is amazing.
On that bike.
Being on her scooter.
Yeah, put her in the bottom. On those next to.
And on that little, they called a chappy motorbike.
I saw that photo.
Yeah, she's 80 years old. She fell off it a couple of times on the gravel, you know. Because that's one thing that you've got to be careful out there on those motorbikes. You hit a bit of gravel, don't you? Yeah. And so we bought her electric scooter, didn't we? And she still fell off that.
Yeah, I just think that's really cool. I just think they were such pioneers. So then we have these three.
Well, we need one in the house for sure.
Yeah, of course. Plus the other ones that we hadn't originally.
moment of truth.
Pretty much there. All right, it's a new day.
It is.
This has been setting all night.
It has.
So,
The moment of truth.
moment of truth. Stand it up, see if it all falls down.
Hey, look at that.
We've got the cork
Is that the one?
popping off into the sky. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm really pleased.
Happy with the
Yeah, I think.
final decision for the map.
Yeah, I think it's turned out really nicely. I'm not sure.
Yeah, well, it's all good. Go anyway.
Ready?
Look at that.
Well, it's very lovely.
What do you think? Looks fantastic. All right.
Now we need to find somewhere to put it on the wall. I think the heart of the kitchen is the best place for this to be. It feels very fitting, and although we haven't yet done the kitchen, that is on the agenda for this year. So I think putting Bill and Dora in the heart of the house is the best place.
Yeah, also, we've got a picture of their bar right here, which would have been here.
Yeah,
Is that cabinet in that picture?
it is. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it's there.
that's the cabinet that's
Yeah.
there. So this is going to go above that cabinet, I think.
Yeah,
Can you just hold it up? Step back and see what you think it looks like, what kind of height. Got a bit of peeling backing paper there as well, which will hide it. That kind of height.
yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, it does look really nice.
Perfectionist over here.
Is it perfect?
I think it looks very good. What do you think? No? Maybe later level.
Right here. Yes.
Happy?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and now we've got a key for the building villa. Looking down, and that's where we cook.
Yeah.
We walk in every time, which we're happy about. 'Cause they seem like such a lovely family, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy memories.
Yeah. Lucky to hundreds.
All right. Well, look, a day. Wrap it up.
Yeah.
Cool. We are done with this project. Move on to the next project.
Let's go.